Now, for a guy that grew up on the Cache River in Arkansas, I had to name one of our call models the Cache. Now, what makes the Cache different from, say, the Freak model? Now, it is a single reed call. It's a very raspy call, but it's what we call a mid-range volume. So it's not going to be super loud on top, and it allows you to get just a little bit softer on the bottom, and it lets you put a little bit more finesse into your calling. So for you guys that are wanting to keep that volume down, work those late season birds a little bit more, and you like a really raspy call, the Cache is for you.